Okay, part two. This is super annoying. I didn't know it cut off at 15 minutes, and I know a 15-minute video makes you want to cringe, and so I'm really sorry. I'll go really fast to finish the rest of this. Um, okay, so we were finishing off with Bradford City rebrand, and I think you saw some of their promotional pieces, and then he did kind of this follow-up closing that was pretty cool. The process is easy, and finished up with this. So, anyway, really cool ideas. I hope you're inspired. And what is next in this project? You're going to figure out who or what you want to create a marketing campaign for, advertising campaign for. You'll be watching a webinar later this week, not right now, and then give some answers on Pear Deck as well. So that is your introduction. I'll be doing more screencasts, but hopefully not this long. And I hope you have a great Tuesday. Sorry so long, and I will talk with you soon.